In this lesson video, we will cover how to create custom autofill list. In the previous video, we already learned the basics of autofill, and we already know that by default, Excel recognizes the names of the months in English. The autofill feature in Excel can actually help us to generate any type of list, regardless of the language that we are using. To create a custom autofill list, first, you need to create the complete list manually. For example, in this lesson, I want to show you how to create the list of month names and also day names, but in Indonesian language. Then, for a more custom example, I will create a list of social media names. To save time, I already made this list before off the record. You can create your own custom list if you want to, or simply download the file I have provided. Alright, to create a custom autofill list, you need to access the Options window. To open the Options window, you can do this with the mouse or menu, and that is by going to the File menu, then select Options here. Alternatively, you can also do this faster using the keyboard shortcut. You can press Alt F. This will open the File menu screen. If you look down here, now the Options button is labeled with the letter T. So if you press T, the Options window will open. So again, to open the Options window, you can press Alt F, then T. After the Options window opens, go to the Advanced category and scroll down until you find the button that says Edit Custom Lists. Click this button, and here is the window where we can control the lists that appear when doing autofill. We can see that there is a list of the day names, a short version of it, and the long version. Also, the names of the months in the short version, as well as the long version. Everything is in English. To create a new list, we can use one of two methods. First, using the manual method, that is, by typing everything in this window one by one. Or the second method, that is, by picking from existing data that we have created before. Let's see the first method. Select New List here. Then, in this area, you can type the data one by one. Just for example, suppose we want to make a list of season names. We will use English for now. So we can type summer, then press enter. Fall, enter. Then winter, enter. And lastly is spring. After you are done, you can press the add button here, and we can see that our custom list is already registered here. Next, for the second method of creating custom lists, first click on this text area. We can see the text cursor here. Then, you can click drag to select the cells containing the list data. For example, let's say we select all the cells containing the names of the months in Bahasa Indonesia. After you are done, you can take a closer look at these codes. This is a cell range code or code that shows multiple cells selection. Don't worry, we will discuss this more in depth later. For now, click on the Import button at the right side. So now we have a list that contains the names of the months in Indonesian language. Let's also input the names of the days and also the names of the social media. Click here. Select the cells. Then import. Once again, click here. Then select the cells. Then click import. As you can see, it is actually quite easy. Before we close this window and try our new list in action, I need to explain first that in this condition, we can still edit the contents of our custom lists. For example, you can select the social media list here, then click here, press enter, type in TikTok for example. In order to save the changes, you will need to click on this add button again. And now TikTok becomes part of this list. But pay attention to the four lists above. These are Excel's default lists. So you cannot change them. You can only edit the lists that you have created yourselves. Now, suppose you want to remove a custom list. You can select the list here. Then click the delete button. After you are done, just click this OK button. Then click OK again to close the Options window. Now, let's do some testing to see whether our custom lists are working or not. we can type Senin here. Then click drag the autofill square downwards. And Alhamdulillah, our Indonesian day names list is functioning properly. Now, let's check the names of the months. We can just click drag to the right from this December cell, for example. We can see that the list of month names in Bahasa Indonesia is working. We can try the social media list and also the season names in English. So that is how you create custom lists for the autofill feature in Excel.